Finally I got my VIP number, or we say fancy number, which is being installed on my bike. I will reveal it shortly, so stay tuned guys. Hello friends, it's me on my bike. Today is the day I got a call from RTO that my number is ready for installation. I got registered my vehicle number in Imphal West, which is MN01, and which is again a fancy number or VIP. I'm so excited to see. Now I'll be heading to Directorate of Transport, Babupara. There I'll pick up Brother Santos and we'll go and fix the IND plate, high security plate, there where they fixed the plate. It's 900 meters from transport office. Let's take the right turn. Here we are. Okay, we reached some quiet place. So this is the number MN01 AF7777. Guess what? I'm so lucky to have this kind of registered number. So let's take the front look. So it's 77777. Okay, Government of Manipur. This is my certificate of registration, smart card, my name in here, my address, valid up to 2034. Okay. It was raining in the morning, so everything. See my bike. It's so beautiful, yeah. Okay. Love the smell of a petrol.